How to recover Instagram hacked account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar. Now search for recover Instagram account. Now click on search and open up the first website. Now tap on if you think that your Instagram account has been hacked. Now scroll down and tap on visit this page link. Now select my account was hacked and tap on next. Now enter the email address. Now click on next. Now select email, tap on next. Now go back to your home screen and open up your Gmail. Now open the Instagram mail. Now copy the code. Now go back to Instagram and paste the code. Tap on confirm. Now create a new password and tap on submit to recover your account. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.